welcome back. In this video we're going to create our navigation, and in order to do this we have to click on appearance and menus. Navigation is just our menus. Okay, now we need to create our menu. In order to do that, simply type the name of the menu. I'm just gonna call it menu and create. Just need to wait for it. See, by default it has this pages that we created earlier on it. No, this one is the one that came with the theme, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove them. Just going to go ahead and remove them. Click and remove. Okay, in order to add our own pages, just click on view all to see all the pages. I already created the home. Just going to add the home. I don't know, there are two home pages here, but let's add everything and we'll know which one is which. I'll give it some time. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this one here. I'm going to remove it. And then also this custom, scroll down, I'm going to remove it. Now, in order to rearrange this, we need to click and drag to rearrange. Okay, and if you're okay with what you see, you can also have it be a sub menu by dragging it to the side. Okay, and if you're happy with what your menu looks like, you can simply click on this, say add to primary menu, and also check this box to automatically add new pages you create to this menu, and click on save menu. Okay, now we're done. Let's go back and visit our site and see what our new menu looks like. You can see it's a lot cleaner and it's the way we arranged it. Okay, and that's it for creating menus and assigning pages to our menus. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.